could we do a quick sort of high level sort of view then of what the new way is? What are you doing now to source your leads, to sell, to engage with your clients? Just give us an overview now what this looks like, and then we'll get back into how you got there.
Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, just at a very high level, we still do a good bit of the passive marketing, which is, some print advertising, things to just keep ourselves present in the area. But the main focus of what we're doing now is internet, buying leads off of the internet on a daily basis, and reaching out to them to give us a broader territory, a broader reach, and to give us a lot more control over the number of leads that are coming in on a daily basis.